This is a Canon Pixma TS3522. And this is an unboxing video. 40 bucks at Walmart. Promising connectivity. Okay. Wireless print, copy, scan. So let's see what's in this thing. Okay, it is well taped up. So I'm going to use a knife. Okay, from first opening. First thing out of the box looks like printer ink and the power cable. And there it is. There's this stuff here I think I gotta take it off. And we're going to find out how well this works. I'll have to read the instructions. Alright, first thing to note is there weren't any printed instructions. It says you got to do it via the internet. So I'm going to do that. The instructions are telling me to take off all of the orange tape. So I'm going to do that. Okay, all the orange tape has been removed. Okay, it should be noted, it's kind of hidden where you plug the power button in, but it's plugged in. So now, go around. It says hit the power button, which I believe this is. It's making noises. So, and it tells me to take the tape off. Tape is now off. And to install the cartridges down here. Alright. Now, pulling these down requires a bit of force, so keep that in mind. Then it says to load in, so you're matching that to that. There we go. And bring it up. I believe that is connected. And we'll do that with the other one. We gotta take the tape off. Okay, both cartridges are in. And it appears that all the tape is off. Let's go to the next step. And the paper is now in. So you had to pull this little thing to the left in order to get the paper in. Okay, now it's telling me to download the software to start setup, which I just did. It asks if you want to allow your app to do the device, which I do, and start setup. And then, do you agree to be a human centipede? Sure. Okay, I went back and it still can't find the printer despite turning it back on. So we're going to bring it closer. Now, it's connected and I'm going to do a test print. But you should probably be aware of a couple things, which I'll bring you through in a second. So I'm going to hit test print. Data has been sent. Check the printer is operating correctly. Okay. Alright, well we got the first printer test page. And it looks pretty sharp. Came out relatively quick. Oh, it's making noise. Well, let's go over there so you can see what I'm talking about in regards to there. It's going to be tricky. Okay. Over here, you have your power button, and then you have the wireless button. Now, I had clicked that so it was trying to connect to my phone rather than the Wi-Fi. So that is a button you got to be aware of. This right here is the pairing button, and so that allows the computer to talk to the printer via remote, and so you have to hold that down for 3 seconds before it actually does anything. So now let's test with one of my flyers. Alright, and that's what it printed out. So I'm thinking this is functioning and working relatively well. If you put your cell phone up to that and put your camera on, it'll bring you to the link that this QR code attaches to. I suggest you do that. So, that was the unboxing and the installation of the Canon. So, for $40, it connected pretty quick. Pixma. And the model TS3522. So, alright, I hope this was relatively helpful because those were a little tricky. Getting in there was a little tricky to put in the cartridges, but hopefully this will save you a few seconds.